This week I wanted to code a simple triple moving average strategy to see if straightforward scripts like these could be effective. The strategy I had in mind uses one baseline indicator and enters into a long position when a moving average crossover occurs. So I went to ChatGPT, started coding the strategy, and once I got the final version, I started optimizing it. This time I optimized for the ETH USDT 15-minute chart using realistic fees, and the results were quite amazing. Over a 4-year period, this simple strategy generated over 1,500% net profit. In this video, I will explain the indicators needed and the rules of the strategy. Then I will show you the optimization I made with the settings. After that, we will go over a few backtest results for Bitcoin and Ethereum and on various timeframes. And the best part, I will share the source code with you for free, so you can try it out and modify the script as you like. Hello everyone and welcome to TradeSmart AI. If you are new here and interested in algo trading bots and coding with ChatGPT, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first head over to TradingView, then set up the ETH USDT 15-minute chart. Once you got that, let's add our indicators. For this strategy, we will use 1, 2, 3 moving average and the ATR bands as the stop loss. Open up the indicators tab and first type in ATR bands. Add this one to your chart. Next, type in EMA or exponential moving average and add this one to your chart. Then moving average simple. Add this one. And finally, the triangular moving average. Add this one to your chart. Okay, with that you have all of the indicators needed on the chart, but as I said, I optimized the strategy, so let's go over those optimization settings. Our two moving averages that will give us the crossover entries are going to be the triangular moving average and the EMA, and we will also use the SMA as a trend filter. Our fastest reacting or trigger moving average will be the triangular moving average. So open up its settings and set its length to 2. Also make sure that its source is set to low. You can color it however you like, I leave it as it is. Our second fastest moving average is the EMA, and for that we will use a 3 length and the source will be low again. In this case I colored it white. And for the simple moving average, which is our trend filter, we will use a 375 length with again the low source. For our stop loss and take profit, we will use a 100 length ATR period. Both the upper and lower source is set to close. The upper ATR multiplier, which is the take profit level, will be a 30, and the lower ATR multiplier, which will be our stop loss, is a 10.5. Keep in mind that this strategy is long only. Okay, here you can see the script. I have already set up all the optimization settings. And if you want to get access to this script, just go down into the description or into the comment section. There you will find a Google Drive link where you can download the full script for free. If you don't know how to add it to your chart, let me show you. Once you copied the script, just open up the Pine editor, then click on Open, then New Strategy, highlight everything here and paste the strategy code right there. Once you got that, just click on the Add to Chart button. Okay, now we have the strategy correctly set up on our chart, so now let's go over the rules for long entries and exits. I just made visible our strategy script so we can see where the real entries would have been. Now we can see the buy signals, which signals that all the rules are met for a valid long entry. For a valid long entry, first the TMA, which is this red-green line, needs to cross above the EMA line, which is this white line. Here we had a clear cross up, so now we only need to check one more condition, and that is the trend filter. For a very long entry, the price should close above the trend filter, which is this blue SMA line. All of the rules are met for a very long entry. Entry will be at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. The stop loss and take profits will be relatively far away from the entries. But keep in mind, I optimized this strategy and these values came out to be the best, so I will go with that. Okay, this will be a 1 to 2.84 risk-reward ratio trade, but there's another crucial aspect that needs to be taken care of, and that is that whenever we get a new valid entry signal, like here or here, we will update the stop loss and take profit accordingly. So after this valid long entry signal, our stop loss would have moved right here. And a take profit right there. Most of the ChatGPT generated strategies will work just like this, so on each valid new entry signal they will update the stop loss even if they don't enter into another long position. However, usually I modify the script so the stop loss can only move up. But this time I wanted to try what if we let the stop loss move even lower. That means that, for example, on this long entry signal, the stop loss will actually move a bit lower, just like the take profit. So there the take profit would be here, and the stop loss would be right there. Similarly, on this valid long entry signal, the stop loss will be placed right there, and the take profit right there. Okay, so for this strategy you will continue this stop loss take profit update until one of the levels get hit. Let's see when that happens. And we can see a long exit right there. The last valid long entry signal was here, which placed the stop loss right there, and on this candle that stop loss got hit. As you can see, with this strategy, trades to close could take a while, especially with this example. We entered into the long position back there and closed the position right here, which took almost 2 weeks. Well, those are all the rules for this strategy. As I said, this is just a simple script, a concept that I wanted to test out. But now the real important question is how good this strategy really is. So let's see the backtest results. For the backtest, first we will use the ETH/USDT 15-minute chart. I set the initial capital to 10,000 USD and the order size to 40,000. Which means we will use a 4x leverage at the beginning, but as the profit starts to stack up, that will diminish quickly. I set the pyramiding to 1, although if you want to enter on all signals, you can easily set this up to, for example, 10, as this script supports entering into multiple long positions even if we have an open one. I set the commission rate to the usual 0.1% fee on each entry and exit, and the slippage is set to 2. And here are the backtest results. I set the backtest to the last 4 years of price data, starting on the 1st of March 2020 and ending with the 1st of March 2024. During this period, this strategy took 179 trades, generated over 1,500% net profit, with an almost 2 profit factor, and with 27% maximum drawdown. Let's take the buy and hold equity so we can compare it. And as you can see, it is clear that our strategy outperformed the buy and hold. There were times when the buy and hold got better, but as I usually say, for anyone who isn't comfortable with these 80% drawdowns in Bitcoin price, using a strategy like this could be better. But of course, none of this is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. It is also important to keep in mind that it is possible that this strategy is an overfitted or over-optimized strategy. Talking about the equity curve, what we can see is that at the beginning, probably in the first 1 to 1.5 years, we had a nice steadily uptrending equity curve, but as Ethereum started to peak out, Bitcoin started to move sideways for probably 2 or 2.5 years, and it just recently started to pick up again as Ethereum price starts to increase too. So altogether, this is not my favorite equity curve type. We have a very long sideways period and somewhat significant pullbacks like this or this, but it's all personal preference. Okay, now let's see lower and higher time frames. First, the 10-minute on ETH/USDT. It is profitable, however now the sideways period is rather going down a bit, and the buy and hold equity curve is now outperforming the strategy. Let's see 5 minutes. 5 minute looks just like the 10-minute, with 880% net profit, 550 trades, 1.2 profit factor and a very high 84% maximum drawdown. This is the 3-minute. Similar results, over 800% net profit, but now around 1000 total gross trades, and a bit lower 65% maximum drawdown, which is again just too big. What about the 1 minute? And the 1 minute is the limit where this strategy starts losing money, and that's because of the fees. Let's see higher time frames, the 30-minute first. It is profitable and somewhere around the buy and hold equity curve level. On the 30 minute it took only 85 trades, but generated the same net profit, around 1550% net profit, with a 2.3 profit factor and 29% maximum drawdown. On the 1 hour, it is still profitable and even higher net profit, but again this equity curve is just flat and I really don't like that. And now the strategy is better than the buy and hold equity. What about the 2 hour? Well, it is profitable but very low trade count, 1360% net profit, 3.7 profit factor and around 50% maximum drawdown. Let's see the 4 hour. And now it's just 8 trades, and basically it got all of its profits from this first trade only, so I wouldn't bother trading it on the 4 hour. Okay, finally let's see the BTC USDT. On the 15 minute it is profitable and it well outperforms the buy and hold equity curve. All the values are within my limits, more than 100 trades, great net profit, 960% to be exact, 1.6 profit factor and an under 30% maximum drawdown at 28%. What about the 10 minutes? It is profitable and again it outperforms the buy and hold, which is great, but now the max drawdown is huge. What about the 5? Now the strategy just follows the buy and hold equity curve, and actually it underperforms it, so I wouldn't go lower than that. Let's see the 30 minutes. It is profitable, it outperforms the buy and hold, but if you take a closer look, the strategy still couldn't reach its previous all-time high, which was right here. And what's on the 1 hour? It is profitable and outperforms the buy and hold. Let's see 2 hour. That's great too. Finally the 4 hour. It is only 9 trades, and just like with Ethereum, I wouldn't bother trading this, as only 9 trades is not statistically significant. Finally, to close out this video, let's take a look on the strategy ranking spreadsheet and check out where this strategy is placed among the more than 20 strategies I tested so far. And here we have the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Today's strategy was the simple triple MA strategy, and with these results it actually took the 2nd place out of the 19 strategies that I ranked. Those results are amazing, especially for a simple strategy like this. So maybe in the future I will create more simple concepts just like this one. You can find the spreadsheet link down in the description. Here I collect all the backtest data, my position sizing, the fee rates, and at the end you will find the YouTube link to this video and to the script download link too. Just a quick mention, I highly recommend you check out the NNFX top-bottom strategy. I actually made 2 videos for that. In the first one I just covered the strategy and shared the source code, but this one is not free. And in the second video I explained how I coded this strategy with ChatGPT step by step. So if you're into that, you can find the link to those videos in this spreadsheet too. And that wraps up today's video. Well, what do you think of this strategy? Do you have a specific strategy idea you want to see coded? Let me know in the comments. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you want to support the channel and get access to my best scripts that are highly customizable and can be turned into algorithmic trading bots, check out our Patreon and become a Smart Trader tier member. If you want to learn how to code pinescript strategies with zero coding knowledge using ChatGPT alone, check out this video. Or if you want to see another highly profitable strategy, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.